Hi guys, just went out and bought this smart light switch here. It has 4 wires and my light switch only have 3. So I'm going to show you how to hook that up here with the 4 wire to the 3 wire. First you got to do is locate your ground neutral, which is here. You basically just take your ground neutral and hook it up to the ground here. And then you take your low, line low and in and out, hook one to the white and one to the black. And also make sure you turn off the breaker, no power to that. Use the test meter to test to make sure there's no power. Okay, turn the breaker back on. There's power going through it. And I took the ground in neutral and hook up to the ground. And I took the line load, you see here, line load, and hook it to the in and out. And that's it. You see there's power. Let's hit the light switch here. Voila. But that's it. That's all to it. Real easy, real simple.